Ready? Come on. Now here, let's see. We gotta get the blanket and the Moki and we gotta put them away real quick because we gotta look for our eggs. Look it. Watch. Here, give me the blanket. Look at Elmo's eggs. Look, what are these over here? Okay, let's look for our eggs first. You want to? Yeah. Here, Oz. Let's find our eggs first. Look at this. What's this, Aubrey? It's an egg. What is in there? Listen. Shake it. Do you want to open it?
Open it.
Look at what's in here. Oh, it's Ernie. What's he doing? There's another one.
What do you have?
What's in here? What's in there? Oh, it's Elmo.
Oh, can I see that? Wow, what did you get?
Look at it. Oh, I see another egg. What's in that one? Can you get it?
Yeah.
Shake it.
Open it.
Here, look at it. Oh, it's Elmo again. Now we have a few more eggs. We gotta find them.